The National Electrical Code, or NEC, does not specifically cover boats. However, there are regulations and guidelines that apply to electrical wiring on boats. These are primarily established by several organizations. The American Boat and Yacht Council, or ABYC, is a non-profit organization that develops and publishes technical standards for the design, construction, maintenance, and repair of boats. Underwriters Laboratories, or UL, is a safety certification organization that develops safety standards for various products, including marine electrical equipment. The Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, or IEEE, is an international professional organization that develops standards and guidelines for electrical engineering, including marine applications. ABYC publishes a series of standards specifically for electrical systems on boats, including ABYC 11, which covers alternating current and direct current electrical systems on boats, and ABYC 8, covering petrol or gasoline fuel systems. These standards provide detailed requirements for the design, installation, and maintenance of electrical systems on boats. UL publishes various standards for marine electrical equipment. This includes UL 489 for marine electrical switches, UL 1500 for marine lithium-ion batteries, and UL 1114 for marine alternating current electrical panels. These standards ensure that marine electrical equipment meets specific safety requirements. IEEE publishes standards related to marine electrical engineering, such as IEEE 45, which is a recommended practice for electrical installations on shipboard, and IEEE 1580, a recommended practice for active or dynamic radio frequency electric field probe measurements in maritime applications. These standards provide guidelines for the installation and maintenance of electrical systems on ships, which can be applied to larger boats. To find the regulations and standards for electrical wiring on boats, there are a few resources that you can utilize. Firstly, access the ABYC website at abyc.org. Secondly, you can visit the UL website at ul.com. Thirdly, refer to the IEEE Standards website at standards.ieee.org. In addition to the regulations and standards, it is important to consider the following factors when wiring houseboats for business use. One should consider local codes and regulations. There may be specific electrical codes and regulations in place for houseboats used for business purposes. Consult with local authorities to determine any applicable requirement. It is also important to be aware of insurance requirements, as insurance companies may have their own requirements for electrical systems on houseboats. Contact the insurance company to verify any specific requirements. It is highly recommended to seek the assistance of a qualified marine electrician when wiring a houseboat for business use.